Understanding Educational Aid, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and important phrase, educational aid. This term is widely used in academic and professional settings, and understanding it can be really beneficial for your English learning journey. Let's dive in. Educational aid refers to various forms of support provided to students to enhance their learning experience. This support can come in many forms, such as scholarships, learning materials, tutoring services, and technology access. It's important to understand that educational aid is designed to help students overcome challenges and succeed in their academic pursuits. There are several types of educational aid. Let's look at some key examples. 1. Financial aid. This includes scholarships, grants, and loans that help students cover the cost of their education. 2. Material aid. These are learning materials like textbooks, educational software, and access to online resources. 3. Tutoring and mentorship. Personalized guidance from tutors or mentors to help with academic challenges. 4. Technology assistance. Providing access to computers, internet, and other technological tools necessary for modern education. Educational aid plays a crucial role in helping students from diverse backgrounds. It ensures that financial constraints, lack of resources, or other challenges do not hinder a student's ability to learn and succeed. This support is vital in promoting equality and accessibility in education. To access educational aid, students often need to apply through their educational institutions or external organizations. It's important to 1. Research available opportunities. 2. Understand the eligibility criteria. 3. Prepare necessary documents and applications. 4. Seek guidance from teachers or counselors if needed. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of educational aid and its significance in the world of learning. Remember, educational aid is there to support and empower your academic journey. Keep learning, and don't hesitate to seek out the resources available to you. Until next time, happy learning!